can I ask a clarifying question?
Go ahead.
So between the overlap between the Talmud, the Gospels, and the Quran,
Yeah.
are you saying that you know what is true based off if the Quran
Yes.
has
Yes.
it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, interesting. I haven't heard that perspective before.
No problem. I got you.
I'll
So
look into it.
meaning, in the Ten Commandments, when it says, "Hear, O Israel, your Lord is one," right?
Okay.
I'm with you on that. Like, I agree, right? I believe that's from God. That makes perfect sense. It's in line with all the Holy Scriptures, right?
Mhm.
But when it says, attack Amalek and kill their babies and their children and their infants, like that is not in a line with what the Quran teaches us, which is not to kill children and not to kill non-combatants and not to kill, innocent people, right?
Okay.
So that's where I think, okay, somebody changed something up there because it does not fit the prophetic narrative, right?
Mm-hmm.
When we say Jesus is a prophet of God, sent by God, which is in the Bible, I'm good with that. I agree with that.